Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add expressions in Power Automate to perform calculations and automate your workflows. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your automation flows and create new ones. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This button opens up various options for building different types of automated workflows. Power Automate offers multiple flow types, but for this tutorial, we'll be setting up a manual flow that you can trigger whenever needed. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to start an automation manually rather than having it run on a schedule or trigger automatically. It gives you full control over when your workflow executes. Next, you'll see a list of trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your starting point, then click Create. This establishes the foundation of your workflow and allows you to build out the remaining steps. Once your flow is created, click on the trigger itself to open its settings. Here's where you'll configure what inputs your flow needs. Click Add an Input, and from the drop-down menu, select Number. This creates a field where you can enter numerical values when you run the flow. Repeat this process one more time so you have two number fields ready to use in your expression. Now click the plus icon below your trigger to add a new action. In the search bar that appears, type Compose and click on it when it shows up. The Compose action is incredibly useful for processing data, and it's where we'll build our expression. In the Compose action, you'll see an input field. Click on the FX button located to the right of this field. This opens the Expressions editor, which is where the magic happens. Expressions allow you to perform calculations, manipulate text, and handle complex logic within your flows. For this example, we'll use the add expression to sum up two numbers. In the expression field, type add followed by open and close parentheses. Now click inside the parentheses, then switch to the dynamic content tab. Find the first number field you created earlier and click on it to insert it into your expression. After the first number, type a comma, then click on the second number field to add it as well. Once both numbers are in place, click add to finalize your expression. And there you have it. Your flow is now set up with a working expression that will add two numbers together whenever you run it. You can save your flow and test it by entering different values into the number fields. This same approach works for other expressions as well, like subtract, multiply, or divide, giving you powerful calculation capabilities in your automated workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.